The buzz of a breaking story. The spark of an idea that becomes tomorrow's headline. The magic of content that informs and inspires millions around the world. In media and publishing, the difference between getting lost in the noise and landing the top story comes down to the smallest moments. These outcomes are often left to chance, or buried under endless data and disconnected platforms. But what if we could build a system that knows the media world and knows your audience? Your team can describe their editorial vision, and it builds a plan tailored to them. Picture the internet like a giant library. The information desk is the web index, with the location and description of billions of stories and posts. Web indexes pull indiscriminately from all sources and respond superficially. Without real-time access to trending information, answers may be out of date, inaccurate, or recommend a competitor. But deeper inside the library are specialized rooms with expert curators. This is an industry-specific index for media and publishing. This looks at a smaller number of stories and streams, but has a deep understanding of each one, ready to have complex conversations about live audience sentiment, content performance, rights management, and more. An industry-specific index is customizable, allowing us to include or exclude specific data sources, keeping everything accurate and trustworthy. Purpose-built for LLMs, it grows smarter with every search and more valuable with every campaign. While building a moat that competitors cannot cross, this is more than analytics. It's the foundation for a new era of creativity and audience connection. A gateway to the $571 billion global digital media and publishing market, capturing opportunities before and after a story breaks, and helping you create any campaign you can imagine. The winning media and publishing brand will be the one that acts first, and it won't be easy. It requires a rare combination of editorial and industry expertise and AI search infrastructure. Plus, the only AI technology partner with the knowledge and experience to make their vision a reality. A pioneering team led by some of the world's most revered AI researchers. Together, winning media and publishing brands and you.com will build a bright future and deliver on the promise, transforming memorable content into iconic experiences.